Hey guys, so this is Maze of Muertos. Oh, this one has 7 cards in every pack. We're gonna check it out right here. Alright, here we go. We got it open. Alright. Alrighty then. Yeah, my bad about the camera view. I'm trying to, work on it. Trying to work on that there. Here we go. This first one. Ooh, Rescue Ace. Nice. Ooh, Borderland Furious. Banishment of the Dark Lords. Deadly Zombie Breath. Yeah, shit gonna be stanky, you know what I mean? Oh, God. That one looks cute. I ain't gonna lie to you. This one's shiny. We gotta look back at it. The shiny. Alright. And then these nuts. Got him. Yeah, so then we're gonna go on with third. We're gonna get our next pack here. The second pack. Alright. Got it open there. Just gotta get a camera view. I like to open them upside down. That's just me personally. You know. Ooh, nice. This one looks cool. That one's cute too. No mining. Back up. And we got Dark Lord. Ooh, Kovac. This one's shiny too. This one's nice, regular. Nice little shine to it. My boy Sad. And then this guy here. Yeah, I'm about to get fucked up. Stinger, the electric expel. We got the next pack going on here. Alright, here we go. Up. There we go. And then boom. I like this one for the zombie build. That's a good one. Should look bad. I'm gonna lie to you. This guy's cool. Like the vampire. Ooh, Pumpkin King. The Great Ghost King. This one looks sick. I didn't realize that it was the ultra rare. Rare. Let me go back and look at it. Flying Sea. Yeah. Let's go. You know, a little elevator music. While we open the packet. How's that 3? What's that 3? A little dust or something. I don't know. Get that out the way. Lightning Storm. This one's cool too. Couldn't pronounce that one. Wasn't trying to. I'm gonna do that one either. This one's nice. This one's shiny. Regular chine. Dark Lord, Morningstar. Have to see if I could build a deck on that one. This one, Festive Bloom. And what is it? Burgundy, the Magic Elf. Alright, I think that's all of them. There you go. Got the box. That's what we pulled from it. Maze of Muertos. That was the first box. We're gonna open up the second one. Struggling because, I gotta use one hand for the camera and one hand for the opening. So, here we go. Yep. We got that there. I got it open. There we go. Alright. Okay, this is the other one we got from it. Nice. Very nice. We got that one. And that one. And then we got 4 more packets. 4 more packets. Gonna adjust my camera there for a little bit, real quick. 1. Do 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 do. Alrighty then, here we go. Do do do. Alright, we got that there. Yeah, a little. I don't know what that was. Same one, the Zorro. Same one, the cute little. Ooh, this one's cool. Look at this one, shiny. Dark Karibo. Sheesh. I like that one, looks cute. The Dark Magic Talisman. I'm just gonna not pronounce that one either. And this is the one that's stained in the back. I don't know what that was. Do 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 do. So on to our second pack. Here we go. There we go. Alright, bam. Okay, we got her again, the Banshee. Okay, we got a little Betty again. Vampire guy. Okay. And Dog Maida, Lawbringer. This one's cool, so this one's shiny. And the Light Water Dragon for my water build. I'm gonna do something with that. Junk mail. Always get that there. Eucalyptus Mole. Ooh. Alright, our third one. Here we go. Let's get that open up there. Whoop. Whoop. Alright. There we go, we got it. Okay, here we go. Struggling. Boom, lightning storm again. It's the same one as last time. Okay. Masked hero, another one. Another shiny one. He's so shiny. Great mammoth of the netherworld. I don't know that one. And the starship. Yeah. Alright, this is our last pack here. I'm gonna open it up. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's just ratchet. Struggling to open it. Struggling. Alright, here we go. And boom. The Researcher. Dark Lord Contact. How you trying to do all that? The Seeker. Dark Lord Eurobag. There we go. Another shiny one. Festive Balloon. Soul Union. And Prima Light. Alright. That's all we got. That's all we got for the day. Gonna bring them up here in the front. Let's check them out. The Karibo one looks pretty cool though. Like the Pumpkin King too. Look at that one's shiny. Looks cool. It would have been better if it would have been like a Starlight. Different rare, but this one's nice though. Dog Maida. And then we got the Dark Lord. He looks so small. And the Fusion Masked Hero. I don't know why I said Fusion, man. Masked Hero. Oh well. And then let's see. Which one else? I think we got Double Down, right? Masked Hero again. And then we got a... Let's see. I was sorting through them, just trying to look for them. Alright. The Deadly Zombie Breath. She's stanky. Then we got another Masked Hero. No, the Dark Lord. Yeah. And then which one else? I think we're missing one, right? No, that's it. 1, 2. I think I was missing one, but I didn't get it on there. Oh yeah, we got that guy. That guy looks cool. The centerpiece. Alright, and the dragon looks amazing too. So this is what we got. It's just the Pumpkin King looks crazy. It looks crazy. Thanks for watching, guys.